And we have the charger. I have my mask on my face, like right now. And they also have the instruction. It just says LumiSpa for your skin. It has instruction. And it also comes with the this cleanser, which is the blemish prone. So I'm currently using this mask. So this is good. I don't know. I'm going to start today. So how to charge? Charge that. You have to turn it on. And it lights up. It doesn't hurt. It's not like a brush. Yeah. Good. We have a refill. Yes. It lights up. More light. Selfie. You can use in your selfie. And it's the charger. Yep. I'm giving you an update after a month.